So we're here in Brantford today, and we did a removal here to get some raccoon and babies out, and we're just checking on the box today. It's Monday, we left them over the weekend. Checked Saturday and mother was still in the box, so came today, and this happens sometimes where the mother isn't ready to move them, but she'll live in the box for a bit. So we've got our babies and mom in the box. I'm just gonna have a little peek in and I'm gonna let you guys see what we see. Mama's hiding right there. There's our babies. A couple of them are nursing right now, but Mama's pretending she can't see me. So we're gonna let them go and just let her hang out in there by herself. And we'll check it on it tomorrow and make sure she's moving along. And you can see our one-way door was placed here on the roof. She came out, was able to go in the box. She's just not ready to move on yet. And hopefully with us opening the box and kind of telling her, hey, we know she's there, she'll move the box along or move the babies along. Again, Jared, Ontario Wildlife Removal, another raccoon removal here in Brantford, Ontario.